Hi guys, today I want to pick up one more GEM college which have a fees of only 9 lakhs and average salary of more than 20 lakhs. So you have to guess the college. So I'll give you a small hint. One standalone buildings you can find in only one city. By hidden in this case, I want to say is that hidden from the public view. You cannot, if you pass by the road, you cannot find the college. It's impossible to find the college because college thoda andar jaake hai. So that's why I am calling it a hidden gem, not by any other reasons. Fees for the college is 12.53 lakhs for the PGDIE program, and for the PGDIM fees is 14.6 lakhs. So fees have increased over the year. Earlier the fees was very less, under 10 lakhs. Now tuition fees is still 9 lakhs, but if you add all the welfare charges and everything, hostel and everything, so fees become 14.63 lakhs, and otherwise tuition fees is only 9 lakhs. And if you're from the SC/ST category, the fees is exempted. The academic charges are exempted. You just pay the hostel fees. You have to just pay the hostel fees. Second hint about the college is based in Mumbai, because Mumbai is the only place where you can find these small campuses. I'm sorry, small in the size because proportionality to the Mumbai city, the size is big. But compared to the other IIMs and all, the size is small, or even IIT Bombay as well. Okay, so now you can guess the college. So batch size is 414 student. All the students combined, they consider that, with experience of banking, consulting 7%, IT 29-30%, manufacturing 30%, others 30% work-ex. Freshers 31%. This is in sync with every B school in the country. 30% of you are freshers. Yeah. So you are going to IIM Ahmedabad, to any XYZ college. If you take an average, 30% is freshers. So don't need to worry about that. 30% people are going to be like you. Around 38% students have work experience of 0 to 24 months, which is again in sync 40%, which I normally say 30%, 40%. And 30% of the people have work ex of more than 24 months. So a typical representation across the country you will find is same. Yes, you might have guessed the college by now. I'm just waiting still for that. I'll give you more hint. This college is next to IIT Bombay. I lived near IIT Bombay for almost 1 year and I could not find the campus, क्योंकि वो गली के अंदर जाके है. ठीक है, सबको मालूम है कि इधर इस एरिया में कॉलेज है, बट वेयर एग्जैक्टली इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड. यू कैन सी द कॉलेज फ्रॉम द रोड. या दैट इज द लैंडमार्क ऑफ द कॉलेज, दैट थोड़ा अंदर जाके है. एनीवे, बैंकिंग sector 12% people got the placement in banking sector, consulting 17%, FMCG 12%, IT 14%, manufacturing 17%, and others 7% and 4% respectively. Now banking sector is less. Doesn't mean college is not good for banking. You have banks also coming for the placement. Yeah, cutoff from the CAT exam is around 97 percentile. You need 97 percentile for converting the college, for getting the call. Alright, now we'll look at the highest package in sector wise. So banking sector highest is 22 lakhs, consulting 31 lakh, FMCG 32 lakhs, IT 23 lakhs, manufacturing 24, pharma 20, retail 46, and others 58 lakh highest salary. Now moving to the main part of the day which everyone is waiting for. Yes, the college we are talking about is NITI Mumbai. Yeah, one of the top colleges when it comes to the operations. Doesn't mean there's only operation. They have placement for everyone. 130 people got PPO. Almost 1/3 of the batch got PPO, which is at par with any of the main IIMs. Yeah, average salary is 20.88 lakhs. Highest salary 58 lakhs. So this is at par with any B school. So overall average is 20.88. 50% of the batch have got a package of 26 lakhs. So if you're in the top 50%, you are getting a package of 26 lakhs. 20% of the batch have got the package of 32 lakhs. So if you're in the top 20%, that should be a target everywhere, wherever you go, to be in the top 20%. Your package is 32 lakhs. And top 10%, 36 lakh a package. this is a kind of a graphical. So it's at par with any of the main IIMs if you are among the top 20% of the batch. Alright, so any more information if you want, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to make a second video about the T college.